video guys, we're going to ligo tayo guys sa dagat guys. So dito tayo ngayon guys sa Jasper Resort dito sa Cagayan de Oro sa Bonbon. So ito yung guys yung view niya. Saka kung bago pa kayo sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe my YouTube channel Elso Hearts, and don't forget to press the notification bell para update kayo sa mga bagong videos ko guys. Kasi yung video ko guys more on travel, especially mga beaches, or hiking, mga beautiful spot guys. Yun yung pinaka content ko sa vlog ko dito guys sa YouTube guys. So ito guys yung view, yung pinaka main view lang ng Jasper. Yan. So ito yon. So ang Jasper dito guys is mura lang siya, pinakamura dito sa Cagayan de Oro guys. Ang entrance niya is more on 50 pesos. 20 pesos yung yan 30 pesos yung nila yung entrance. Cottages nila guys meron sa 600, medium 1,200, and marami naman silang choices. So tara guys, ikutin natin yung Jasper kung gaano siya kaganda, especially guys madaming naliligo dito guys na mga people kasi medyo cheaper siya dito sa Cagayan de Oro. So Sunday ngayon at saka marami talaga siyang naliligo ngayon. So tara, ikutin natin. So ito guys yung Jasper Resort. Yan yung mga cottages nila. Yan. See. Yan. Dito yung pinaka-entrance. Yan. Yan. Welcome to Jasper. Yan. Yan yung mga cottages nila guys. Madaming tao siya ngayon kasi siya tawag doon linggo, kaya madaming tao. So ikutan ka na. Diba? Daming naliligo kasi linggo. Yeah, may mga tent din.
Hi, mga
Magay.
ka-freshness.
Yan.
Hi guys. Andito po kayo ngayon sa Malaysia.
videos guys, ipapakita namin yung view ng Jasper. Pero maliit lang naman yung Jasper guys. So ito na yung view. Yun yung mga, dyan yung guys, medyo mahal siguro yung cottage nila dyan kasi may video okay. Doon sa pinuntahan namin wala, 1-1 overnight. Yan. So ito yung dagat. So later on pa kami mag-swimming kasi wala, hindi pa ako masyadong ano. Ito yung dagat. So ito pa yung view. Kaya guys, mura lang naman dito guys sa Jasper kasi parang ito yung pinaka cheapest ng Bunbun, dito sa Bunbun, yung pinaka cheapest na entrance. Sabi yun ang sabi nila, pero ang dami kasing tao dito ngayon. Ayan, yung mga naliligo. So later on pa kami maliligo, medyo madilim kasi medyo mainit kanina, so hindi kami naligo. Ngayon mamaya pala maliligo na kami. Ayan yung pinaka view, so, maliit lang siya. Ayan yung pinaka view. So ang dami naliligo, no? So guys, please punta kayo dito guys sa Bonbon sa Cagayan de Oro guys sa Jasper. It's only 50 pesos ang entrance guys. Diba? So cheap. At gusto nyo just enjoy at saka vitamins pa yung dagat. Maganda dito guys pag madaling araw or bago mag sunrise, sunset ba? Sunset pala. I'm sorry. Sunrise kasi I don't think so, parang baliktad. Bala na. Maglasing na ganon yun. Ayan. So, better watch out guys the views. I will video it again. So, and thank you so much guys for always subscribing my YouTube channel. Edsel Hearts. May kami ko shoutout sa all the ka-freshness team. Always nandyan sa channel ko guys, si Waray Vlogs. May kami ko shoutout kay Waray Vlogs for always there. Every night, andyan siya. Thank you so much Waray Vlogs for always there. Asaan mo yung support ko pag na-monetize ka. Thank you so much. This is your host, the fresh, the gorgeous, the virgin, Edsel Hearts. So, ipapakita natin yung views guys. Ayan guys, yung pinaka-view. Yan yung makasama ko yung picture taking. Ayan. Maliit lang yung ano. Diba? Daming tao no. Ikaw mauna.
Ay, ito.
Ikaw muna magsaunahan. Hindi, selfie ka.
Ay, ito
Selfie
na.
ka dyan.
Hindi ako sa...
Nakaano ako eh.
Ay, naka-video ka.
Oo. Ikaw mag-selfie.
Hindi ako sanay mo.
Huwag na tayo mag-inom lang.
Wow, ha?
Puti-puti ba? Puti? Hindi naman puti itong baras lang.
Ano lang.
Yung nag-walk.
Okay, nga.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah.
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression,
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.